So, mag-try kaming mag-hiking ngayon. Pupunta kami sa may Pariora Dam. Medyo mahaba-habang lakad din ito. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin ba ng aking partner in hiking to. So, let's start and walk. Pasensyahan nyo na yung English ko, guys. Mahirap talaga. So, the view is really good here in the countryside. See that one? Yeah, there's a lot of sheep. Green fields. And that's the track to go in Pariora Dam. So guys, this is all native bush. All the plants here are all native. Like that's one is flax. I don't know the other one. I don't know all of that, but that's all native. Yung kasama ko mag-hike andun na. Kasi pupunta kami dito sa may sa may Pariora Dam. And then it takes us 30 minutes to go there and 1 hour return. But as you know, because I have young fella with me, so I don't think so. So maybe it takes us 2 hours return. So papasok tayo sa ating paraiso. Sa ating dadaanan, papunta ng Pariora Dam. So this is the gate here, okay? And that's it. Okay. So close the gate again before we go. So ito na talaga. Autumn is really kicking in. Tignan mo yung yung punong kahoy, hindi daw na talaga. Ayan yung aking partner in hiking. Ando na siya. Ako busy pa. Tapos ayan. Dami nilang tanim in fairness. Sana tama yung track namin. Along the way guys, nakita namin to. Dandaanan namin to. See, ang dami no. As in, ang dami talaga. See? Wow. Ang dami nila. So, ito na. Malapit na kami. Ito na yung mga pine tree. So, talagang autumn na siya. Hindi na wala ang picturean dyan guys sa dahon. Yung direction namin yung river na yan. Kasi diba pupuntahan namin is dam. So, ito yung daanan papunta doon. So, let's see. Let's see later. Okay. Okay. So, we're going to open the gate again. The second gate. Okay? So, come here. This is our second gate. Oh, I can only here. Okay. Tignan nyo, wala ng dahon. Masyadong advanced tong kahoy na to. Andun na yung kasama ko. Bye. Oh God, look at that. What is that? Oh. Is this still a limestone?
No.
This is, I think.
It's rock. No.
Grabe. Sapa ng tawag ka naman ka dyan, guys.
Sorry.
Kapoy rin imaw ko. Maan lang This is all
Ito
pine
yung
trees
namin,
here.
guys. Grabe. Lalaki ng mga pine trees na yan.
Really
banglid yan
big
kaya.
one. Oh, that's already Scenic Reserve. Oh, this is a really big one. Look, baby. Jesus Christ. God, look at that. Mayroon pa ito, no? Oh.
I think this was used right up until 1939 for water to Timbro.
So ito yung dinadaanan ko. Yung daanan ng tubig dati. Ito siya, pagtuon. Ito yung daanan daw ng tubig dati, papunta ng Timaru. Mga early, 1930s. Something like that, yeah. Aray ko. Hirap din in fairness. So, that's it. Ganda. So, ito yung dinadaanan namin. Diba? Barerihan ang tawag sa amin nito, guys. Oh well, parang ni-refresh lang yung aking kabataan nito. At dito pa talaga sa New Zealand, ni-refresh ang aking kabataan. Diba? Mantakin mo yan. Sino ang mag-akala na makarating ako dito? Kaloka na buhay to. O diba? Pag si Lord talaga ang gumalaw, lahat walang imposible. So, sa lahat ng nangangarap na pumunta dito sa New Zealand, hold on lang guys and keep praying, okay? Tandaan nyo guys, pag para talaga sa inyo yan, ibibigay at ibibigay ni Lord yan. Okay? Magtiwala lang. At syempre samahan nyo din ng action yan. O diba? So, malapit na kami sa dam. Ayun na siya. Yeah. Nearer. Lapit-lapit na. Konting tiis pa. Bigyan ko kayo ng konting history about sa Pariora Dam. Ang sabi ng aking asawa, mga year 1930s to 40. Dito daw sa dam na ito nanggaling ang tubig na papunta sa Timaru. Kaya lang, ang naging problema was 165 days bago pa dumating ang tubig sa kabahayan. O diba? Imaginein mo yan. Ang tagal-tagal. Halimbawa, tatay ka, tapos kailangan mo mag-flush. Mag-antay ka pa ng 1 taon bago pa dumating yung tubig. Kaloka na buhay yan. So, this is Pariora Dam. See ya. Bye.